For starters, let me load up DLS 26 to see if this will actually work. And if it does, guys, then I will show you how you can get that you are actually seeing rise up in my account right here, guys.
How's it going, people? Your boy is back and we'll show you how you can get free gems and free coins in Dream League Soccer. Dream League Soccer 2026 or DLS 26, you can call it whatever you want. One matters right there is that you will have unlimited free resources in it whenever you want, guys. So let me show you how you can get them.
For starters, let me load up DLS 26 to see if this will actually work. And if it does, guys, then I will show you how you can get the free gems and free coins that you are actually seeing rise up in my account right here, guys. DLS 26 will be lit from now on. You will have so many resources. You will not be able to spend them until the new game drops. So let me show you how you can do that exactly. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then search for appspatched.com on any browser. You can open up any browser, but search for this website, appspatched.com. It is the place to be. So let's scroll down, or just make sure to tap it right here. Third row on the right side, DLS 26. You can search it also above there, but no need because it is right there. Now you will need to enter your username on the game, select the platform that you are on or the mobile device, and now just go bonkers with the amounts of both free gems and free coins that you want to receive in DLS 26. Just like you saw seconds ago, guys. So we are not doing this process, not even 1 minute so far, and we are getting to the end of it. So this is the final step right here that needs to be completed. How do we do that? Basically, you will have two options. A faster option, well, you can open up some questionnaires. Complete 2 questionnaires in total just by following those specifics, answering those questions, and that is how you will verify your mobile phone and get this whole process completed. Or you can go ahead and download 2 apps. So by downloading an app, you will click it here, you will be redirected to the App Store, Google Play Store. Then you will download it, install it, and do what it says from you in the description. So simple. For example, Best Play, you will need to play 3 games for 5 minutes each. Some other game will ask of you to just open it up or register on it. So make sure to read it carefully in the description and complete it that way. And that is it, guys. I hope everything was useful and that you got your resources in DLS 26. If not, leave a comment down below. Your boy will gladly guide you further. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you.